Greetings everyone. Today we will learn some safety rules. What are safety rules? The rules which we must follow to keep ourselves safe. We should follow these rules at home as well as outside. First of all, we will learn the rules which we must follow at our home. We should not play with fire. We should not play with fire as a little fire can destroy everything. Also, we should not play with sharp objects. We should not play with sharp objects like scissors, knives, etc. We should not touch electric appliances when in use. Also, not put our finger in electric sockets as it may current. Do not touch and take medicines without asking elders. Always take medicines to ask our elders. There are some safety rules on the road also. We should always walk on the footpath. We should always walk on footpath. Also, we should not play on the road. It may cause accident. We should not run while crossing the road. While crossing the road, we should not run. If only the traffic is clear, then cross the road. Before crossing the road, look both sides. Always cross the road at zebra crossing. Here you can see zebra crossing. While crossing the road, we must watch the traffic light carefully. There are 3 traffic lights. The red light means stop. We should stop when the light is red. The yellow light means wait. And the green light means go. Dear student, there are some safety rules while traveling in a bus also. In the bus, we also follow some safety rules to keep ourselves safe. We must stand in a queue at bus stop. When the bus stops, get into the bus. When your turn comes, we should not get into or get down of a moving bus. We must keep seated in the bus. We must not stand or move around. Do not stand exactly behind or in front of the bus as the driver cannot see you. Stay away from the bus while crossing the road. Always keep your hands inside the bus. Never wait for your friend at the place where the bus is run. Stay away from the bus. There are some safety rules in the park also. We should not touch and pluck flowers or leaves in the park. We also should not talk to the strangers. We should not take anything to eat from the stranger. We should away from the stranger. We should not talk anything to the stranger. There are some safety rules in the playground also. Never push anyone on the swings or rides. Never hurt others while playing on swing or rides. Never push anyone. We should use swimming tube while swimming. Always swim in the presence of your teachers and elders. Do not go for swimming alone. Always swim in the presence of your elders. These are the safety rules which we must follow while go outside or inside, when we are inside the home as well as outside. Okay? Hope you will understand and learn these rules. Thank you.